Tonight, South Carolina schools are seeing fewer teacher vacancies and departures.
Yeah, that's according to a new report from the Center for Educator Recruitment and Advancement and Retention. Our News 19's Josie Frost has more on what the numbers show.
Teacher vacancies across South Carolina are down 35%. Districts reported around 1,000 vacancies at the beginning of this school year, compared to more than 1,600 last year. This is the first time since 2019 that we've seen a reported decrease in vacancies. Education leaders tout increased teacher salary as what's keeping them in the profession. Lawmakers increased starting salary this year to $47,000. Sherry East from the South Carolina Education Association says that may be a big part of why teacher vacancies are declining.
And some districts, if you were one of those lowest 8 districts, you saw, a significant pay raise in the last 3 years. So I think those are the kind of things we're seeing.
The report shows fewer teachers are leaving the profession as well, with a 13% decrease in departures. More than 300 teachers returned to the profession after leaving it for at least a year.
They left in droves there for a couple of years, and so if those folks would come back, that could actually help our teaching shortage as well. And they're already trained. They're trained, they've been in the classroom, they've been in those districts. So I think that's a win-win when we can pull those teachers back into our classrooms.
State Superintendent Ellen Weaver touted work at the State House for the increase. She believes the statewide cell phone ban that will be in full effect this coming January will help. In a statement, she said, quote, "By continuing to work together, we can build off this momentum and write the greatest chapter yet in South Carolina's education story." But there's still work to be done to get back to pre-pandemic levels. There were a reported 556 vacancies in the 2019-2020 school year.
So we need to work on class size, we need to work on student behavior, we need to work on support when we have behavior challenges in the classroom, that we have enough mental health counselors, social workers, those kind of supports that are available to teachers in the classroom.
This report represented data from all but 4 school districts in the state. But East says it's important to note that although vacancies decreased, it's possible some positions no longer exist. For example, a district might have combined classes or canceled some. Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.